Well, welcome back adventurers. Came to the market town of Hexham in Northumberland. So we're going to have a bit of a mooch about and show you what's around here. So this building that I'm about to show you, it's called the Old Gaol, which is basically the old name for a jail or a prison. As you can see in this video, I'm calling it a gaol. I don't know why I was saying gaol but it's a gaol, which is jail in Old English. So it's quite fascinating. On this board here you can see obviously it's got a little bit about it. It was constructed in 1330. The Archbishop of York ordered it to be built, and it was to house the prisoners that was sent there from Hexham. And then it was also in 1824 the building was ceased to be used as a prison, and then it was used for the stewards of Hexham. So yep, it's a very nice looking building, and they used the stones from the neighbouring town of Corbridge, which was a Roman as well, and it's believed to be them Roman stones. There you go. So very nice, very nice. It's a nice little Roman town here, you know. There it is there, look, it goes way back. Look at the archways and whatnot. Aye. Oh, the sun bleeds, unbelievable. I've just had a look in this tower here, but it's not open to the public. But you can see all the little quirky streets. Look, they're doing some restoration over there. And look at how the wall was constructed. Looks like a similar technique to what you would use when you're doing dry stone walling. So this is the information board about the Moot Hall, which is obviously the tower that I'm standing in. This information board tells you a little bit about it. It was basically a gatehouse for the settlement there, and it tells you obviously when it was constructed and whatnot. As you can see by the picture here, you can see the jail tower there in the back on the far right. I'm actually in that archway there of the tower where this board is. And you can see this was the gatehouse to obviously for the settlement inside, and obviously that prison that was there as well. So yep, very cool. Okay, so moving on. So this is Hexham Abbey here, and one of the things I love about these old architectural buildings is when you come across the mark that's been left by the mason. Very impressive. I take it this is the older bit, or this might have been restored. You can see the change in the colour of the blocks, like that bit there looks relatively new, where you can see how this looks pretty old, like, you know. Opened at 10. See, it's right situated in the heart of Hexham. Just have a look in. Yep. It's pretty cool. It's my new saying that, isn't it? Here's a little bit about the layout. and how old the different parts are. A little bit about it there. Wow, it's pretty good. Just gonna have to watch because I don't want anybody to that's actually worshipping to be on camera. So unfortunately this next part of the video is going to just be a photo montage because they wouldn't give us permission to video with inside the Abbey, and that was due because I didn't have written prior permission. So, but there's a lot to see in there. I think there was a mention of it being the 7th century, some of the pieces in here. It was very fascinating to have a look at. There was some really stunning pieces of artwork and carvings to look at. It's well worth a visit if you're ever in Hexham. So, hope you enjoy. Traditional sweet shop, and you come through that little archway there up to this. It's a little bit like Diagon Alley. Old church. It's got a little pub, cobbled street. Looks like it's a traditional butcher shop. Look at the old photos. I know, there's loads of little glimpses of the past. Even the bank has where past meets present. I mean, just look at that. That's one thing about Hexham that I think is so enjoyable about the place. It's where you see all the historic little glimpses from the past. Even like up there you can see there's a sign up there, 1882, and then you see the present way of life mixed in with the old. It's just great, it's great. Aye. It's the same here. I like when it's like, I don't know, you just kind of like, you can just feel how it's settled here. Yep, yep. Well guys, that's us just having a little much around Hexham. So we're back in the car now, and we've parked in the car park called, it's Wentworth Car Park. If you are coming to Hexham and you're planning a journey here, parking is free, but only under the conditions that you go to one of the nearest shops, cafes, wherever, and get one of these little disc things and set the time. Now, the only thing is here, they have made it so like there's different coloured bays for different times of how long you're allowed to stay, isn't it? So the blue bay are 4 hours, the white bay is 2 hours.
No, white bay is all day.
No, the white bay.
You don't need a disc.
Aye, they've made it confusing. I don't know why. But aye. So if you come in and you're in a blue bay, get a disc. Okay.
You get 4 hours for free. If you in event pay, it's a disc with 2 hours free.
Oh, there we go. She's that Nicola knows what she's doing now.
I don't know.
Because I spent about half an hour looking for the paying machine. Right then everyone, that concludes this week's video. If you've got this far in the video, you might as well subscribe. Hit that button there to subscribe, guys. And it's been a fantastic day. It's starting to get a bit warm now. It's 18 degrees, so I've got my t-shirt on, all the tune top. So, like I say always, guys, get out, have an adventure, make memories. Alright, till the next one, guys.